In today's video, I'll walk you through 4 DIY bed styling ideas that are easy, affordable, and versatile. I'll also share insider tips that designers use to make beds look so effortlessly stylish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your bed from ordinary to extraordinary without spending a fortune. Hotel-inspired styling. Designers never stop at just a sheet and a blanket. Layering is what makes a bed feel luxurious and three-dimensional. Think of it like dressing for the seasons. In winter, you don't just wear a t-shirt. You layer with sweaters, coats, and scarves to create warmth and depth. Your bed works the same way. Start with a crisp fitted sheet as your foundation. Add a flat sheet tucked neatly, then layer a lightweight quilt or coverlet on top. Finally, fold a duvet or comforter at the foot of the bed. This gives you that plush, inviting hotel look, where the bed seems full and cozy, not flat or unfinished. Play with textures. Even if your bed is all one color, textures can make it feel layered and interesting. Designers love to mix cotton with linen, velvet with faux fur, or knits with smooth fabrics. The combination of rough and soft, matte and shiny, creates a dimension that looks much more expensive. The key is to mix textures strategically so that even neutral tones feel rich and intentional. Pillows with purpose. One of the biggest secrets designers use is pillow arrangement. It's not random, it's a formula. Start with your sleeping pillows stacked or standing at the back. Then add Euro shams, large square pillows for height. In front of those, layer your standard pillows. Finally, finish with 1 or 2 accent pillows or a lumbar cushion. This creates balance, tall in the back, medium in the middle, and small in the front. The arrangement feels intentional instead of messy. And here's a smart hack: don't buy tons of pillows. Instead, invest in a few quality inserts and switch out the pillow covers seasonally. That way, for $15 or $20, you can completely refresh your bed's look. Throws and blankets. A throw blanket may look like an accessory, but in design, it's the finishing piece that completes the picture. Without a throw, the bed feels unfinished. With it, the bed feels styled. A casual, cozy look, drape it diagonally or let it spill over the edge naturally. A pop of color. Choose a bold throw in a shade that contrasts your bedding. DIY idea number 1, the minimalist hotel bed. This look is clean, crisp, and timeless. Start with white or light-colored sheets. Add a quilt, then fold a fluffy duvet at the bottom. Keep pillows simple: 2 large Euro shams, 2 standard pillows, and 1 lumbar cushion in front. Finish with a neatly folded throw across the foot. This style works especially well for guest rooms, small bedrooms, or anyone who wants a peaceful, spa-like retreat. And because it's so simple, it's also very budget-friendly. You don't need dozens of accessories to achieve the look. DIY idea number 2, the cozy layered bed. If you want your bed to feel warm and inviting, go heavy on layers. Start with neutral sheets, add a quilt, then layer a chunky knit throw and a faux fur blanket. Stack 2 rows of pillows and add an oversized accent cushion for drama. This bed is perfect for winter or for people who love to curl up with a good book. It gives your room that Pinterest-worthy, cozy vibe while still feeling chic. And again, Layering inexpensive pieces can create the look of luxury without the cost. DIY idea number 3, the color accent bed. Neutral doesn't have to mean boring. This style lets you experiment with bold accents while keeping things classy. Start with a neutral foundation, white or gray sheets, a light quilt. Then introduce color through throw pillows, a duvet, or a blanket. Shades like navy, emerald green, mustard, or blush pink work beautifully. The beauty of this look is flexibility. You can swap colors with the seasons. Cool blues for summer, warm rusts and golds for fall, without changing your entire bedding. This approach is not only stylish but also cost-effective, since you're only buying affordable pillow covers or throws instead of redoing the whole bed. DIY idea number 4, the casual luxe bed. This style is all about effortless elegance. Instead of perfection, think relaxed sophistication. Use natural fabrics like linen or cotton. Drape throws casually, let pillow edges show, and don't worry about everything being symmetrical. The goal is a bed that feels lived in but still elevated. This is the kind of styling you see in designer homes where the bed looks comfortable yet polished. It works beautifully in master bedrooms where you want a touch of personality without overthinking every detail. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home styling tips, and share. Thanks for watching.